Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Dror and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Spark, PySpark, and look a little bit into how you can refer to columns in Spark. If you're coming from Pandas, it's a little bit different, and there are some differences because of the laziness of Spark. And I will show you a few examples. It's always good to recap how it works, and I hope it can help you. Leave some comments below about the incident that you had and made you waste hours trying to figure out what's wrong with the numbers or the analysis because you referred to the wrong column, or you got some errors that you weren't able to understand easily. So let's jump into the code and see how we refer to columns in PySpark. In the code, we start here with the initialization. I use find Spark because it's really helpful to find Spark and it makes the configuration much easier. So I strongly recommend using it if you need to use Spark. Let's initiate it. It takes a little longer because it spawns a Spark. Let's have a look here. So I create here a small table with a few columns, 3 columns, name, age, and a nice number, and 3 data points. And I just transfer it to Pandas just so we can see it better and it looks nicer. So we initialize the data set here, and that's what we have. And if you come from Pandas, then you have 2 ways of accessing the columns, either by name, if the name is a valid symbol in Python, this works like so. And if the column is some string like here, then you can access it by using the square operator and specify the string. If we switch to Spark, however, it's a little bit different. First of all, you need to select a column, use the select method, and then you have few options. One is using the name of the column. One is similar to what we do with Pandas. This is also similar to Pandas. And the f.call, where f is this, it's the functions of the PySpark SQL. F.call helps you refer to a column. We will see later cases where you actually need to use f.call. So here's one example. We select df.name and we convert it again just to Pandas so it prints nicely. So that works. If we would like to try this nice number here, then we probably need to do something like so, and that works as well. Or I don't know, the f.call, and then we don't need the square brackets here, and this will work as well, also with the string name of the column. Nice. Now, if we look further, let's say that we have some more analysis here, and we start by looking into creating another column. That will work nicely here. Create another column here, we can have it, and then let's see how it works and how can we refer to this new column. Imagine we have this data frame here and we want to add a column foo, and it's just 2 times the age, and then we want to add another column which builds on top of foo. It will be foo2, and it's multiplying it by 2 again. So this won't work because the way Spark handles it here under the hood, the function, the column foo is not really defined. So we need to be a little bit more careful here. So this is the part that fails. The way to do this here is where we can use the f.call, and this will work. And we have in one go, we create foo and also foo2. These options work for us here. If we split it into steps and we first add the column foo and we assign it to df2, then we can refer to it immediately and we don't need the f.call, although we can use it as well, like here. So that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. I hope you find it useful. Sometimes Spark can be a little bit intimidating and maybe not so straightforward, but still it helps you process a lot of data. So at some point you want to use it, and I hope you find it useful what we saw here. If you like the video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm Dr. Dror. Thank you for joining me today and enjoy the coding.